Hi everyone, welcome to Math 105. I'm going to take you on a short tour of our course here in Canvas. So the first thing that you'll want to complete is the orientation. And most of these you'll see, like the directions here, say to view it. So once you have viewed it, then you'll get a little green dot filled in here. And once you've done and viewed everything, there's also some orientation assignments. And once you've completed all of these, then the week 1 module will open up. But you do need to make sure that you've clicked on all of these and done them, like the introduce yourself discussion. You'll want to make a post to. You'll want to get 100% on the course syllabus quiz. And if you get stuck on anything, definitely reach out and let me know. But you can take this quiz as many times as you need to. And the other thing you'll want to do is the MyLab Math registration. And this one I'm going to go ahead and click on and show you. And basically what you want to do is register for MyLab Math, and then taking the survey, you'll let me know if you were able to do that. Now, if you're not able to pay for it right now, I would ask that you register with temporary access. And this will allow me to know that you're able to get into the system and you can start working on your homework. Otherwise, if you wait until the weekend, there's not going to be as much technical support help and you might run into some problems and then miss, your first homework deadline. So definitely come in through here, get registered, and then take the survey to let me know if you had any issues. Now, if you do have any issues, what I ask is that you contact Pearson Technical Support and work with them to see, and then they can help you troubleshoot like what might be going on with your computer, that maybe there's some issues with working with it. And then the last assignment here is on showing your work on a quiz. And we'll be taking our quizzes here in Canvas, but I'll also be asking you to upload your work. And so submitting your work will be the majority of the grade. So I want to make sure that you know how to do that. So I'll have you kind of work on that in this little short quiz here. And again, you could take this quiz as many times as you need to. And again, once you've done everything here in the orientation, then the week 1 module will open up. Now, once you've completed your orientation, then you'll be able to start working on the week 1 module. And every module will be very similar. There's going to be an overview. And the overview will describe the learning objectives and also the assignment and also some additional resources for this module. And then there's a link to the textbook. And the link to the textbook also includes videos and different animations and things that you can watch. So I always recommend looking at that. There'll be a few video lectures corresponding to the different sections, a PowerPoint presentation on the sections, and then a link to our question and answer discussion, which is optional. So if you have some questions, always feel free, you can post them here. And then the section with the assignments, and you'll see that they're kind of spread out. And one of the things that you'll learn about as you're going through the syllabus quiz is that all of the assignments, except for the quiz, can be turned in 48 hours later. So you kind of have that 48-hour extension on any of these. And you can turn it in still for full credit, except for the quiz. The quiz is always due on that date. And what I do in case you have an emergency or an illness is I drop your lowest quiz score. So you may have 1 or 2 homework assignments. These are kind of like the pre-homework assignments to get you started. Those are due on Thursday. On Friday, you'll have your choice. There'll be 2 success skill assignments and you only need to do one of them. The other one, your lowest grade will be dropped. So you only need to do one of these. And then Monday, you'll have probably kind of the more complex homework assignments that are due. And then Tuesday is when you will take the quiz. And every other week, you'll also have a reflection. Okay. And these are taken in Canvas. And these homework assignments here, the ones due on Monday and Thursday, those are completed in MyLab Math. And then the success skill assignments, those are also done here in Canvas. So I hope this helps you get started. And just one reminder about when you're getting registered for MyLab Math is you want to click on this button here, MyLab and Mastering. And then this will take you, actually your screen is probably going to look a little different than mine, but this will take you to either entering in your code if you purchase this through the bookstore, or if you want to just buy it directly through the website, you can also do that. And you want to do it here. Now there'll be some directions that'll come with the code if you buy it in the bookstore. And it's really tempting to follow those directions, and they'll have you go directly to the Pearson site. You don't want to do that because it's going to ask you for a lot of other information. You want to use this link right here in our course, the MyLab and Mastering link right here, to get logged in, because then what it's going to do is it's going to sync it up automatically with this 105 course in Canvas. But hope you have a great first week, and let me know how I can help as you make progress this week.